That's it. It works good. Okay, I like the Sinker contour gauge so much. I got me a mini electric chainsaw, Sinker. So I'm gonna open it up. Me and my son are gonna open it up. Here you go, pull that, buddy. There you go. Comes with a little screwdriver, little oil, gloves. Okay. 2 chains. A little tool to tighten that up, the chains. Safety glasses.
2 batteries?
And 2 batteries.
Sick.
The charger for the batteries.
Let's see the chainsaw.
And
they have 2-length chainsaws as well, and I believe you got the longer.
You got the 6-inch one?
Yes.
And yeah, looks pretty cool. I'm excited.
That's cool.
All right. It is good to go. I am ready. The chainsaw. Okay. Yeah. Just, you know, it's a solid piece of wood, so yeah, it made it through. So I'm sure for small stuff, it'll go through real easy. And yeah, so if you got a tree you just gotta clean up.
That'd be great for camping.
Yeah, for camping, you could do, cut up some small wood. And yeah, I'm gonna take it camping.